So I'm here with Sharon Mitchell, who is a mortgage expert with Dominion Lending Centers. I would like to ask Sharon a question, which I'm sure a lot of home buyers or people that are thinking of buying, and that is, what is the advantage of going to a mortgage broker like yourself as opposed to going to the bank or going to a branch?
Good question. There's a couple of really good reasons to go to a mortgage broker first. Mortgage brokers have access to lots of lenders, between 60 and 90 lenders. So we have access to different products, niche products, regular lending products that many lenders on their own don't have access to. I can place my client to a lender that fits for them rather than trying to fit them into a lender's box of rules.
Okay.
And I'm not tied to one lender's products or rates.
Okay, so whereas, for instance, if somebody was to go into their branch and talk to their bank, basically that's all the bank products that is available to them.
That's it.
Yeah, whereas you have access to another 50 or 60 or 90
Yes.
lenders.
That's
Okay.
right. That's right.
So, a big question that people ask is, how do you get paid?
I get paid by the lender.
Okay,
I get paid once the mortgage funds,
okay,
and my commission is not built into the client's rate or the product. It's built in to the fact that the lender doesn't have the overhead of having staff and overhead costs by having employees.
okay.
So they have, I like to say, a little bit extra funds available for paying mortgage brokers for bringing them the business.
So, in other words, the benefit for a home buyer is they don't need to get dressed up and feel like they're going to a job interview by going to the bank.
Yes.
They can just speak to you over the telephone or by internet or whatever, right?
You bet.
You do their qualification, and you actually package up their proposal to all the lenders, right?
That's right.
So,
Yes.
and does it happen every once in a while where you get a whole bunch of lenders coming back looking for that client's business?
I have, but what we try to do is fit that client with a lender prior to submitting, actually officially submitting,
Okay.
so that we have maybe a choice of one or two lenders that are the best fit for that client.
Great, and it's always about the client.
Always about the client.
Great, so for instance, and I haven't asked you this question before, but does a mortgage broker get a bonus for selling a certain product?
No,
Okay.
no, we don't get excuse me, we don't get extra funds for selling a
Longer
certain-
term or?
There's a different compensation, but there's also, because the trend in the rates on different terms are similar to every lender,
Yeah.
it doesn't benefit us to sell a 5-year versus a 10-year.
Okay,
It's all about the client. So
it's all about the client.
all about the client's needs and where they are in their life and where they are for their affordability and financing.
Great. This is Sharon Mitchell from Dominion Lending Centers. Sorry, I hit you with that one.